Hi everyone, this video I will show you how to create variables in SPSS. Suppose you have questionnaire looks like this. Part 1 we have 4 questions. The question 1 is about gender. We have 2 groups, 1 represent male and 2 represent female. Question 2, occupation. We have 3 groups of occupation. 1 represents student, 2 represents school teacher, and 3 represent university lecturer. So question 1 and 2, the measure called nominal because it represents a group of gender or group of occupation. Okay, move to question number 3, age. We have 3 groups of age, 1 below 18, 2, 18 to 27, and 3, 8, 27 or above. Question number 4, education. 1 represent undergraduate and 2 represent graduate. As you can see, question number 3 and number 4, you can tell the sequence, and you can tell the order, okay? That why the measure of question number 3 and number 4 called ordinal because it's in the order, okay? It's in the order. You can tell which one come first, which one come second, which one come last, okay? And for part 2, all question of part 2 create by using rating scale concept. That means 1 represent least important, 2 less important, 3 moderate important, 4 more important, and 5 most important. This is called rating scale question. So for this type of question, I recommend you to do the coding first because normally these questions are too long. SPSS does not allow the longer name of variable. That's why we need the coding. So I assign part letter A as a part 2 and followed by the number of the question. For example, A1 represent question 1 in part 2. A2 represent question 2 in part 2. And also A12 represent question number 12 in part 2. If you have part 3, you can assign letter B represent part 3 and follow this practice, okay? Now we ready to create a variable in SPSS. Let's open SPSS. When you open SPSS on data view, you see all variable are not named yet, okay? As you can see. So you click on variable view and then create variable name. The first one, gender, and then value of gender, 2 value 1 represent male, enter, 2 represent female, male is well, that male, okay, click OK, then measure nominal. Next, occupation. We have 3 values in this variable. 1, student, 2, school teacher, 3, university That's it. 3 groups in this variable, and nominal as well. Next, age also have 3 values. 1 below 18 into 2, 18 to 27 into 3, 28, 4 above intervals, and then click OK. Okay. And then measures ordinal, because you can tell because in sequence. Education. We have 2 groups of education. 1 undergraduate, 2 graduate. Okay, ordinal. And then for rating scale question, we have assign coding A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, enter. That's it. Okay, move to value of A1, because 1 represents least important, 2 represent less important, 3 represent more moderate important, 4 more important, 5 most important. That's it. 1 to 5 rating scale. And then we can copy and then highlight the scale and assign to A2 to as well, and then paste. Done. Open it. Check 1 to 5. Done. And the measure is scale, right? Scale, 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 and scale, scale. Done. Now you click data view. As you can see, all variables are named. Now you're ready to go or move on to the next step. Thanks for watching this video. See you next video. Bye bye for now.